Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to set up a GeoGuessr game with friends. So to play with friends in GeoGuessr, you will need to use a party mode on your private game. You don't need basically a pro subscription, but of course some feature may require that. But if you just want to play together, you will be able to do it only on the basic plan. If you are playing this game on Steam, I don't know if you can play like against each other, but you can play 2v2 on Steam by just inviting your friend to a party. But if you want to play against each other, as you can see on the top left here, you have multiplayer, you have duels, which is against an opponent in this global competition. So it's not against your friend, but you have team duels where you'll be able to team up with a friend to find a teammate ready to compete. So you can click on that option and you can basically start inviting your friends, as you can see. But if you don't want to play against other people, you want to play alone or something like that, you do have this party option. If you go to party, click on invite friends and play together, and here you can click on unlock parties. So in order to unlock parties, you will need to pay for a plan. As you can see, it comes only with the basic plan, so which is $1.5 a month. If you pay yearly, if you pay monthly, it's 2.5, and it will unlock you private parties. So if one of your friends have the basic plan only, you'll be able to play. So you don't have to have it all of you. You don't need to have it all of you. One only should have it, and you can join his party if he has a plan. So he can go to party and you can click on create a party instead of unlock party if you have a plan, and then he will send you a code and you'll be able to join his party. As you can see, you have this join with code, which is the same option. So the party leader should have a code and he should be able to give you the code, or he should give you the link that will let you play against your friends. But if you want, you can, as I said, duel with another people by just inviting, as example, your friends. So this option with where finding teammates, if you want to find teammate like globally, not your friends. And I guess anyway, here on the app or on the browser, you will need to get a plan also to play duels like this. But if you go and install the game on Steam, it's totally free as well. So I'm gonna open it here in Steam to show you how that is totally free, of course, to play it. But as I said, you will be only able to play this team duel. You will not be able to create a party also on Steam if you didn't pay for a plan. So as you can see, we have here the GeoGuessr Steam edition, and you should be, of course, logged into your Steam account. And as you can see, if we go and click on quick play right here, we have solo duel and also team duels. But keep in mind that it is in ranked. If you want to unlock the ranked, you will need to go and pay for a plan also on Steam, but at least you can play together against other people. So you can click in here, invite your friends, and you should be able to set up a game with them and play with them. But not against each other unless you have a plan. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.